Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter no sound while using Google Chrome, then watch this video to fix it. Now first thing you need to do is reset the cache and cookies on Google Chrome. So click on the three buttons, then look for history, history again, and then you need to click on delete browsing data. Select time range all time and then make sure these three boxes are checked and then click on delete data and then we will restart Google Chrome. Now, if you still don't get the sound in Google Chrome, then you also need to disable the extensions. So click on these three dots here, go to extensions, manage extensions, and then you can either remove the extensions or you can just switch them off and then restart Chrome again. If you're still not getting the sound, then it could be that it is disabled in the volume mixer. So right click on the volume button, the speaker button here, and go to open volume mixer. Now see, check on Google Chrome if this is muted. If it is muted, click on it to make sure the sound is enabled again and bring the sound to 100%. Make sure your output device is set as the default output device. For example, if you're using speakers, an external speaker, then make sure that you select that one, and also the input device. Like for example, my input device is the microphone condenser, so then I will restart it, close it, and it should start working. If that doesn't work, then another great fix is to check for the compatibility. So I will right click on it and then I will go to properties and then I will click on the compatibility link. Then here in compatibility mode, I will check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and you can check for 8, you can check for 7, and keep checking one by one. It should definitely work. So I'm trying for 7, apply and click on OK, and then I will open it and the video should start working. If none of these work, which is a very rare option, these solutions should definitely work for you. If it doesn't, then you just need to uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps, and then here we will look for Chrome and then click on the three buttons here, click on uninstall again, go to a different browser and then just look for Google Chrome download. There it is. And then click on download Google Chrome, click on the download button and then run the installer as administrator, and then you should not have any such issues of the sound not running while using Google Chrome. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.